Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Supabase UI templates for database-driven pages, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Supabase website. Once there, locate the UI templates section. Click on the link to the UI templates. You will be redirected to a page displaying various templates. Browse through the available Supabase UI templates. Select the template that best fits your project needs. After selecting a template, click on the Download button. This will typically prompt a file download to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's download folder. Next, extract the contents of the downloaded file. You can do this by right-clicking the file and selecting Extract All. Open the extracted folder to view the template files. Inside, you will find HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. If the template comes with a demo or README file, open it for further guidance. Now, open your code editor of choice. Use the editor to customize the template according to your requirements. Make sure to integrate the necessary Supabase configuration settings. This includes your Supabase URL and API key. Once customized, save all the changes you made to the files. Finally, open your project in a local server or deployment platform. Your database-driven page should now reflect the downloaded UI template. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.